That's a good one. That is a good bass. Oh yeah. Nice one. 2-pounder. Told you guys that point was a lucky point. Get over here. Get in here, you 2.5-pounder. Another nice, beautiful bass. Look at that bait. That's a Z-Man Original Bayou Craw with that Keitech trailer. They seem to love that color here. I don't know why, but they do. All right, one last look at old girl. Mwah. Beautiful largemouth bass. Let's see if she'll jump. Come on. We need a jumper for the show. Be a superstar. Come on. Oh, close enough. Oh, Jesus. About took me with her. We're officially on fire. First bass is a nice one. Hello everybody, welcome to Bass and Bonsai, No Bananas edition. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a good one. Mwah! Buckle up and hang on, here we go. That is a huge, giant, largemouth bass. Hello everybody, welcome to the show. Sun is out. Way up and over the treetops, we're just getting on the water. We're gonna hit the shallows. Not with topwater because the sun's out. We're going to hit them with chatterbaits. Haven't actually done that in a while. When I show up here, I'm so early, I hit them with topwater, pretty much the shallows everywhere we start. And it kind of takes away, I think, some of our chatterbait fish. So anyway, that's what we're doing today. We are on the water. It is, let me show you the conditions here. 82-degree water temps. It's just after 8 a.m. And it's game on. Thinking, but I thought topwater may still be working. We do have some clouds coming in now. Look at that turtle. He is right by where I threw my popper, and it wrapped. It was like boop, 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 and that turtle was just watching it like, hey, what is that? And that is the bravest turtle I think I've ever seen. Wonder how close we can get. I know we can't catch him. There he goes. No, they're not. I'm going to go right between these two stumps. There we go. Got one running right at us. That may be a better bass. That's a good one. Oh yeah, look at that bass. Right between the old stumps. Chatter, chatter, don't matter, babe. Oh, get in here, you beautiful beast. There we go. Wow, that thing's skinny. Needs to eat. That is a skinny, nice bass, but skinny. Probably a male. What do you think? Think it'll jump? Let's find out. Nah, not impressed yet. Let's see if it'll jump though. Come on, we need a jumper. We haven't had a jumper for days. Oh, nope. Yeah, no, struggle's real. So dang bananas, they did it to us. Right out there, let's see if we can catch another one. Oh man, that cast is beautiful. Come on. There we go. Beautiful cast, beautiful, that's a little bit. I guess he's beautiful, but we were wanting 5-pounders in that spot. Well, we're not on fire yet, but we're working on it. Look at these jumpers. Oh my lordy, lordy, looky, looky, looky. Oh, it's gonna be a beautiful morning. I can tell it. I can feel it in my bones. It's gonna be a beautiful, beautiful morning. Oh yes. Oh! Did I say it was going to be a beautiful morning? Well, I may have been wrong. Tell me those Kitex don't suck. Look at that. I think that was my last one. Let's find something else that'll work. Well, we went a while and we didn't catch a fish. I had all kinds of information I was telling you guys. You guys would have loved it, but I had to erase it because I couldn't catch a fish. So anyway, peanut butter jelly time. I got some kind of little old fish working over here. I got all kinds of what I call activity going on in these shallows, but I can't get a hit on topwater. And just that thing ran off with it, or a chatterbait. So I'm just going to slow down with the old shaky head, well, as slow as I can slow down. But you see, we just had hit very first cast. I'm over here, yeah, I know, running my mouth, not paying attention to fishing, and we just had a hit like that quick on peanut butter jelly. So we're going to slow down, put something together here. I'm kind of fishing it quick. You know, we're slowing down, but we're not slowing down that slow. It's still early morning. Got a little cloud cover. And then out here in the middle, this is all shallow water. So I'm gonna just work this peanut butter and jelly through this grass. We got it hit. Oh, we got a fish that quick. Couple casts in. They just did not want any, I don't know, not that big. It does not take long with peanut butter and jelly. Not long at all. Ooh, it's a jumper. There's a splasher. Man, I'm getting wet. I'm in the boat. I feel like I'm swimming. Let's go. Peanut butter and jelly time. Let's see if I can get one over towards that point where you saw me throw the popper. Take long to hit bottom. Just wiggling it across that grass. They're like in that grass and they don't want to come out. So you got to kind of get something, whether it be slow rolling a chatterbait. We got a fish, I'm still here talking about it. You got to like get down in that grass, in their home, and then they'll hit. They're like, they can't resist it. But you got to do it either by throwing something like these lightweight shaky heads or jig, or, you know, run a slow roll with chatterbait across it, or rattle trap kind of reel until you fill the grass, and then, you know, pick up the pace and kind of nick the tops of that grass is what has been getting me like most of my bites in that last couple weeks, you know, in the hot summertime weather. Like, you'll get awesome top water, they're out, they're hitting, but once that sun pops up, it just drives them down and into that grass. And they can be tough to catch if you don't, you know, if you're just out throwing stuff that's not getting down and in and tickling the tops of that grass. Well, boys and girls, to say it's been a while is an understatement. But we finally have a bass again in the shallows. I haven't moved out to deeper water yet. The struggle, it's real. Now, are you a jumper? Are you looking at me funny? He's a jumper. We rigged up a few different baits, but I wanted to try this rattle trap kind of on this. This is the old dam, kind of like I do on the deep end. Yeah, it worked, but just a little bass. We do have the wind picking up, it's blowing this way. So we're going to go up and work down that side. But first, I can't give up on these shallows. I can't believe I didn't catch more bass than what we've caught. Just know there's a big 5-pounder sitting over here. We just gotta find it. You with me? Are you with me? Because here we go. There we go. Got another one. Whoa. Not big. Oh. Got off. That was... wasn't my imagination. That was a largemouth bass. We got one. Oh, right at the boat. Oh yeah, look at that. That's old jackhammer working for you. What do you guys think? Sun's out, guns out, jumpers around. We got the wind blowing way over there, but we're gonna hit this bank real quick before we go over that way. Just to see if there's anything biting over here. Kind of to prove that, well, hopefully prove, you'll see maybe we'll catch something here, but we should be able to go to that windy side and catch whatever we catch here. We should catch more than we do on this side. Oh, there was a little tap right at the freaking boat. Oh, Keitech, don't you do it. That was a little tap and you're like already toast. Man, these Keitech. Maybe not. Never felt grass though. There's got to be grass right in through there too. There we go. There we go too. Oh, it's a little bitty one, but I just, first couple casts, I never got it down low enough and felt the grass and didn't get any hits. As soon as I felt grass, man, they're like in that grass. You got to get it. You got to get it in that grass before they'll even, you know, they're just not that active as soon as that sun pops out in this hotter weather. Over that way. Try to throw. Come on. There, right at the boat. Oh! Oh yeah, right at the, get over here. Right at the boat. Well, the jackhammer black and blue color is working today. What do you think? Yeah. Let's keep going. Nope, a fish right there. I was just about ready. I thought I was going to pop it again. And whoa, that hit. Did you guys see that? We got to save that. I thought I was going to eat that bait. I just turned my head and it didn't hit my face somehow. It missed me. Minnow bass. Minnow rattle trap. He's trying to hook me. There we go. Oh! No, he's still on. He's coming at me. That may be a little better. Oh, yes, it spit it out. Did you guys see it? Oh, dear Lord. We have the most horrible luck right here. This is, I think, the same one with the banana trip I lost the bass. It could have been the same freaking bass. He just knows how to spit it. He's a spitter, not a swallower. She is, and we don't like it. Let's just keep going. I can't even stop filming. We just got to get past that. That was a 3-pound bass. Easy. I'm serious. Well, okay. It was probably 3. It wasn't like 4 or 5, but it was a nice bass. Oh, my God. I'm gonna have to watch that. And you guys, when I edit videos, I gotta relive that. You guys don't get it. I'll be like, oh, I have a dream about that fish jumping in slow motion, just laughing at me. Here we go. Last bass of the day, last cast, and it is a good one, boys and girls. I'm running out of time. I got to hurry this up. That is a beautiful bass. It just got off the hook, but I'm done. I got like 30 seconds left to tell you my spiel about getting out of here. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't already subscribed to Bass and Bonsai, do so now. And whatever you do, tell your friends, your neighbors, anybody you know about Bass and Bonsai. Share it on, if you have a YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, Snappy Chatty. That bait works awesome. I cut it out, but I switched to my one that I normally have luck with. Didn't get anything in a little bit. Put this one back on and started catching a couple. So definitely works good. I like that. I got a couple rattle traps at work. Anything else? Get out of here. Go Bass and Bonsai for yourself. And thank you very much for watching. There's a wasp. There's a wasp. Always messing up my intros and outros. What do you say? It's about ready to shut off at any time. One last cast as we go off into the sunset. Exactly how we do it. Big largemouth bass. Let's see if it'll jump. That is a beauty. We're gonna jump. Yeah! Woo! The taste of success. But really.